to you, bro. On my way to you, big dog. About to get it in. That girl freak on me. Let's get it, man. Alright, well, we're gonna go right up here. So right where this baby is, that's how we gonna do that. We ain't walking. We're gonna go right up here to the 10, baby. That's how we gonna do that. Oh, right here, man. Oh yeah, here I come. Man, we got freak in the bag right now, man. They talking about they on set cash. We done had to go buy a damn card and shit. We got freak in the fucking bag. You already know what it is. Massachusetts, I'm on my way. Let's get it, man. Going through security. Getting it in. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. That girl freak, one of a kind. Rollo in Times, Georgia. That baby is a freak. Hit y'all with some B-rolls real quick, man. Go ahead, check me out, man. Make sure y'all liking and subscribing. If y'all liking what y'all see, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some motherfucking fire. If y'all liking this video, drop some fires in the comments, man. Let me know how y'all feeling, and I'm gonna give y'all 187. Let's get it. See it, man. We out here at the damn airport. They let us all off the plane. Shit, we didn't know what was next, man. Still got her with me. Shout out to my dude. He said that he was gonna come pick her up and all that, but shit. Sir, I'm waiting on you, baby. We up here, man. We got stuck in Maryland. And shit, we'll be back home. We'll be back home tomorrow and shit, man. Just pray for us, bro. Let's get it. So, what up, though? Man, so y'all see I'm in a hotel room, man. Flight ended up getting delayed. It was heavy snow, so I really couldn't do nothing about that. You know what I mean? I got a flight in the morning to get back home, but best I can do. You know, so
The customer still said that he was gonna pull up, you know what I mean? He drove 7 hours, you know what I mean, to get here. So we gonna see what's up, see if he pull up on me, you know? So, man, enjoying some good food, you know, watching this movie, man. Chilling, man. Crazy.
What? What? Man, you know what's up, man. Yes, sir, man. What time is it, man? 1 o'clock in the morning, man. We eating in Maryland. Man, if y'all have seen my face walking inside the airport at 4 a.m. seeing this, man, I was so scared. Then I'm like, the line's long, but man, it's Jackie and Harry. Man, move out the way. Let me get on my flight, man. I'm rushing. Look at me, I'm running through that airport, y'all. Let's get it, man. Hey, I put them up. I put the Delta for 6 a.m. and I put the Southwestern for 9. I was getting home, baby. Hey, let's get it. Got off that flight, man. It's about 8 o'clock or wherever. Heading to motherfucking, we head home. We almost there, we almost there. As y'all can see, I made it home. This boy 187 right here, man. Hey, make sure y'all like and commenting on this video, telling me if y'all want me to drop more videos. Y'all know I'll be lit on YouTube, man. Let's get it. Tune in.